Hello garden friends, I'm Mel with Succy Crafts and welcome to my garden. So what I have here is Sedum Burrito and they're looking kind of tired. So these used to be nice and full clusters of sedum, but I've slowly been hacking at them for arrangements, different crafts, plantings, and now they're kind of just not looking their best. They've seen better days for sure. So I have here, it's about a 4-inch terracotta pot, and I've already filled it up with succulent soil. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of use all of these three little pots and make one new fresh one to give it a fresh start. And I have here little scissors, and I'll just start cutting because this arrangement, or this little transplant refresh, whatever you want to call it, is going to be made out of cuttings. So I'll slowly start cutting the ones that I want, and I'll start shedding the leaves at the base, leaving like maybe 2 inches of stem or so. And I can get a lot of cuttings out of these three little pots here. And I'm sure I can fill that whole terracotta pot up. All right. So it looks like I'm down one. So I'm done with that one. I can keep going with this one. I think I'm done with that one as well. Down to my last one. Oh no, took too much of the stem there. It's okay. As long as I have a tiny bit of stem left, I can still plant it in just fine. It'll still root itself just like the rest. And one more right here at the bottom. All right, so that's a good amount of burritos, I think. So I'm gonna collect the little leaves here. Drop them in there. Bring my container back. And let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 little cuttings. That's pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna start right in the center and work my way around. Such cute little plants. I love how they grow. They're so chubby and green, and their blooms are so pretty. They bloom right at the end of their faces, so they grow a little bloom stalk out of the center of the little rosette there. And they're tiny, they're not tiny, they're like small pink flowers. All right, so doing my last one right there. And there I go. Now I have a new pot of burrito plants. And you can never have enough of these burrito plants, I'm telling you. So I'm all done. So that was very easy. And I think I got plenty out of these three wasted little pots right there. So a little refresh. These will grow nice and tall, and hopefully one day they'll just kind of hang over the pot, and I'll be ready to, at that point, put them into like a hanging basket. They look so beautiful in hanging baskets or in tall containers where they can just grow nice and long and just hang freely. And so when it comes to the watering, Since I cut them fresh and I didn't wait for that stem to callus over, I won't be watering them right away. I'll wait at least a week before I water this pot. Give it a nice deep, thorough watering. But if I had waited for the stems to callus over, which takes normally about 3 days, I could have immediately watered this little pot. And I'll water this about every week or so for the summer. So now you can see how easy it is to make new cuttings out of your old, tired plants and make a whole new pot out of them. And it doesn't take much for the stems to grow roots. It will probably take them about a good month to start growing healthy roots. Until next time, bye-bye. Well, while I tend to my garden, why don't you subscribe so we can keep in touch?